Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 26th, 2018, and I wanted to show you, I'm giving you an update on the sweet potato plants that I have growing in containers here. And today is feeding day for them again, and I'll put a link down below in the description for how I feed my sweet potatoes, because I did a video on that. And you can check out the plant foods that I use. I just wanted to show you how they're growing here. I'm using the Epsom Organic Tomato Tone, and I'm using the Expert Bone Meal, and then I'm giving them some Epsom salt and some Sea Magic. So I'm going to give you a quick update on this. What we actually did with these right here, these were getting pretty long, the runners were. So we actually clipped them off, and we stuck the runners in some rainwater so they could reroot, and we put them in another bin. That one's out at the garden so that they can root and give us the sweet potatoes as well. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.